ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स पार्ट 3। मेरा नाम ठीक है, ये कर रहा हूँ मैं अभी। और ये भी ठीक है, चलो ठीक है। तो और ये काफी फेमस क्वेश्चन है, आपने देखा होगा 2020 में ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया था। इसमें क्या करना होता है ना, हमें कॉम्बिनेटोरियस कोफिशिएंट्स को प्लग करके एक नया क्रिएट करना होता है, राइट। तो अगर मैं सॉल्यूशन कंटिन्यू करूँ, एक मिनट, ये थोड़ा बफर कर रहा है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे करते हैं, ये ध्यान से देखते हैं कैसे कर सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले क्या करें, इसको सॉल्व करा। एक मिनट होल्ड करें, फिर कंटिन्यू करते हैं। सॉरी फॉर द कन्वीनियंस। तो पहले जो चीज देखी हुई है, इसको क्या करना होता है, दोनों पैरेलल कोफिशिएंट्स को क्लब करके एक नया बनाना होता है, राइट। तो शुरू हो गए। तो सबसे पहले क्या लिख सकते हैं, पहले क्वेश्चन उतार लिया। एंड p इक्वल्स 1 to n, p equals 1 to n, here go from m equal to p to n, m equal to p to n, ncm mcp, ncm mcp, दोनों को प्लग करा। यहाँ पे हो जाएगा n फैक्टोरियल ओवर n माइनस m फैक्टोरियल, m फैक्टोरियल इंटू m फैक्टोरियल डिवाइडेड बाय m माइनस p फैक्टोरियल, p फैक्टोरियल। अब अगर इन दोनों को ध्यान से देखा, तो इन दोनों का सम जो है वो कांस्टेंट आ रहा है, राइट। और वो इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ m आ रहा है। तो ये बैलेंस कोफिशिएंट बनाने की कोशिश करी, तो दोनों का जो सब्ट्रैक्ट आ रहा है 1 माइनस पी आ रहा है, राइट। तो हमने तो ये बना लिया, मतलब इस तरीके से। अब क्या कर सकते हैं हम, अगर हमने ये करा बेसिकली, एक सेकंड, दोनों को सम कर रहा है, राइट। तो एन सी एन माइनस आर होता है। तो मैंने ये लिख दिया एन माइनस पी सी, लेट कॉल इट एन माइनस एम, अगर मैंने कर दिया एन माइनस एम, तो ये हो जाएगा एन माइनस पी ऊपर एज इट इज, जो कैंसिल किया से कैंसिल कर दिया। तो क्या हो रहा है, ये वाली चीज कैंसिल हो रही है। अब देखो यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखा, और मैंने एन माइनस पी फैक्टोरियल से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर लिया। तो दोनों का सम वो आ रहा था, कांस्टेंट है, तो इसको इससे मैंने मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर लिया। तो अगर तुम इफ यू आर एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, वाई स्मॉल इरेजर व्हेन आई कैन recognize this। ओके फाइन। इस स्टेप पे क्या कर सकते हैं, इसको ध्यान से देखा, और इसको ध्यान से देखा, एन माइनस पी सी, अगर यहाँ पे लिख दिया एन माइनस एम, एन माइनस पी, और ये कितना हो जाएगा, एन कैंसल पी माइनस एम, पी एम माइनस पी, राइट। दिस फैक्टर विल बी एन माइनस पी, और यहाँ पे बचेगा एन फैक्टोरियल ओवर पी फैक्टोरियल, एन माइनस पी फैक्टोरियल, दैट विल बी एनसीपी, right? So it will gonna be n minus pc n minus m into ncp, this sum, and this will gonna between m equal to p to n, m equal to p to n, or p equal to what, p equal to 1 to n, p equal to 1 to n, right. So you can easily recognize what is gonna happen. This is not a variable of m is there, right. So you can take it out. It will be ncp summation going between m equal to p, so n minus pc n minus m, p is equal to 1 to n. Fine. Now, if you are able to recognize m is varying between p to n, that implies it will going between n minus p c0 to n minus p cp. Sorry, n minus p cp n minus p. That is clearly 2 to the power n minus p. So the finally it will gonna be ncp into 2 raised to the power n minus p. Or the sum is in between p is equal to, p is the variable now, p is 1 to n. Okay, fine. So it is ncp 2 raised to the power n minus p, and you can write as 1 to the power p as well, right. So it will be uh, it will be एक second, it will be nc 1 to n minus 1 into 1 to the power 1, as it is. So the missing term is the missing term you can easily recognize even, in fact it is right, nc1 से start हो रहा है, right, nc1 से start हो रहा है, it is going between nc1 ncn and 2 raised to the power 0 and 1 raised to the power n, it will be fine. So you can ideally say add and subtract nc0 2 to the power n. You have added and let us subtract this value. NC0, 2 raised to the power n. So this will be 2 plus 1 raised to the power n. 2 plus 1 raised to the power n minus 2 raised to the power n. So clearly f of n is 3 की power n minus 2 की power n. I hope I'm clear. Let us take the option of f of n. We have calculated it is f of n is equal to 3 की power n minus 2 की power n. Now f of 6 will be 3 की power 6, that is 729. 729 minus 64. Let's check it out. 729 minus 64, it will be 9 minus 4, that is 5, or 72 minus 6. We have 665. That is correct. F of 3 is even. F of 3 will be what? 27 minus 8. That will be, I hope it is right. 27 minus 8 is 19. Is it correct? F of 5, मतलब 3 की power 5 minus 2 की power 5. So 243 minus 32. 11. 211. That is correct. F of 4. F of 4 will be 81 minus 16. 11 minus 6, that is 5, or 7 minus 1, that is 6. 65. That is also correct. So this is a very important profile. You should know how we can plug and make another binomial coefficient. I hope I'm clear. Let's move on to the second problem. But let us solve this problem as well, because this is some unique flavor, I guess. Important as well. Manipulation is very cool, I guess. You can see the statement. It is a given that there is a I is in between 1 to n. I is in between 1 to n are the roots of this equation. And we have to compute this expression. Right, this expression. So let us observe carefully what is the expression actually. So let us write as n is equal to n is equal to n is equal to its double summation. R is equal to 0 to 37. R is equal to 0 to 37. I equal to 1 to 9. I is equal to 1 to 9. Zi raised to the power r. This thing we have to evaluate. It will be z1 raised to the power r plus z2 raised to the power r plus so on and so forth. Z9 raised to the power r. And the summation is between r equal to 0 to 37. So it will be 1 plus z1 plus z1 square plus so on z1 की power 37 plus 1 plus z2 square, 1 plus z2 plus z2 square, and so on and so forth. Z2 raised to the power 37. So on and so forth. Z9 plus Z9 square. Z9 raised to the power 37. Now, Z की power, what you know is Z की power 9 till the equation you know is Z की power 9 plus Z की power 8, so on and so forth, plus 1 is equal to 0. If you multiply, clearly Z equal to 1 is not a root, so you can multiply this one. So let us multiply Z minus. That implies Z की power 10 is equal to. If you multiply Z minus 1 on this equation, both sides, Z equal to 1 not a root. So you got it, Z की power 10 equal to 1. So at this step, this value will be, you can multiply each factor, right? Each factor as 1 minus z1 and divide by 1 minus z1. So it will be 1 minus z1 into that number divided by 1 minus z1, right? Plus 1 minus z2 into, I guess I am clear what I'm saying. So it will be a 1 minus z1 raised to the power 38 over 1 minus z1 plus 1 minus z2 raised to the power 38 divided by 1 minus z2 plus 1 minus z3 raised to the power 38 over 1 minus z3 plus so on and so forth. What you know is zi raised to the power 10. It's from till 9, I guess, right? You know what is zi ki power 10 equal to? That implies zi ki power 40 is also, that implies zi ki power 38 is equal to 1 by zi square. And let us substitute this value in this equation. So what you got is 1 minus 1 over z1 square over 1 minus z1. So it will be z1 square minus 1 over z1 square into 1 minus z1. That will be z1 minus 1 into z1 plus 1 over z1 square into 1 minus 1. Right. A minus is there no doubt. Let us take minus common. What you got is 1 by z1 plus 1 by z1 square. Each factor is some sort of. You take minus out common. So you got is 1 by z2 plus 1 by z2 square. So on and so forth. 1 by z9 plus 1 by z9 square. Let us revise the terms. So what you got is 1 by z1 till 1 by z9 plus 1 by z1 square till 1 by z9 square. Right. So the equation is given as z ki power 9 plus z ki power 8, so on and so forth, plus 1 is equal to 0. This equation is the root of z1 till z9. Right. So now at this step, what you can do is you can make an equation whose roots are, you can do transformation of roots, whose roots are 1 by z1, 1 by z2, select 1 by z9. 1 by z9, right? So this equation will be identical because this is symmetric in z. Symmetric means the coefficient of this and this are same, right? So the equation having roots 1 by z1 and 1 by z2 and 1 by z3 will also be z ki power 9 plus z ki power 8 plus so on and so forth plus 1 equal to 0. This equation has a root 1 by z1. I will call it alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 9. It will call it alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 9. And at this alpha I is equal to 1 by zi. Let us call this one. And this equation has a root now. This equation has a root now alpha I to alpha 9. Alpha 9. Okay? Alpha 1 to alpha 9. And we have to compute alpha 1 till alpha 9 plus alpha 1 square till alpha 9 square. Fine. So clearly this value is the minus b over a, right? That will be minus 1. And this value, what you know is alpha I into alpha j. This product, right? And for I not equal to j divided by 2, that will be equal to plus 1. What you know is sigma alpha I is minus 1. Let us square this one. So it will be sigma alpha I square plus 2 sigma alpha I alpha j equal to 1. That value is 1. Can we press that value is minus 1. So that is minus 1. So minus 1 is minus 1. That will be. I hope I am clear. What I have done, I scored this equation. The factor of alpha into alpha j without pairing, without ordering, I mean, without ordering. There will be alpha into alpha j multiplied by 2. This we have to calculate. So this we have to calculate. That will be 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 minus minus 1, that will minus 2. That of minus 4. It will be plus 2. I hope I am clear now. Next problem. Okay, read the statement once. It is given that there are two functions, right? Two functions. Basic problem 14. Roles and Lagrange's. F and G are two continuous functions and differentiable in R. Then choose the correct alternative. Okay. Fa and Fb are 0. Then for beta belongs to other exists. Okay, okay. So let us go in this way, right? This way. F of A equal to F of B equal to 0. That implies. In fact, we can solve this problem at that page, right? Okay, let us move this side. F of A equal to F of B equal to 0, and we have to show that there exists a C such that BF of A plus F dash of A equal to 0. Okay, okay. So I know you are clear with the idea. So what you do is basically you just take integrating factor. So integrating factor is beta e to the power beta x. So let's assume another function. Its idea is very common, I guess. Everyone should know. Let us substitute what I'm doing. Actually, wait a minute. Let us take another function that is called gx. Gx equals e to the power beta x into f of x. So clearly, g of a is equal to g of b is equal to 0. That implies g dash c equal to 0. There exists a c belongs to a to b. We can write by rules. Let us differentiate the expression. So it will be e to the power beta x into f dash x plus beta e to the power beta x into f of x equal to 0. So you can easily take e to the power beta x common. So what you can write is f dash x plus beta fx equal to 0. There is a C belongs to A to B, so you can write f dash C plus beta f of C equal to 0. Right, so I hope this is correct. Fine. Let us move on to this option. F of a square, f of b square minus f of a square equal to b square minus a square. That implies, let us take another expression. Another expression, I mean. It will be f of a square. F of a square minus a square is equal to f of b square minus b square. That implies, let us call this expression as g of a. This is g of b. That implies a g of a equal to g of b. If let us call, let us call gx equals fx square minus x square. Fx square minus x square. Let us call this one. And g of a equal to g of b. That implies g dash c is equal to 0. There exists a c belongs to a to b. What will be g dash c? It will be 2 fx f dash x minus 2x equal to 0. That implies fc into at c fc f dash c minus c is equal to 0. If there exists a c belongs to a to b. I hope I am clear. So they have said has no root, so it is of course incorrect. You can move on. Let's do on third problem. It is say f of a into g of b is equal to f of b into g of a. So what you can do is you can take another function. If you can take it this expression, right? If you can take it this expression, what you got is ln f minus ln g. So let us take a ln fx minus ln gx as another function. ln gx as a function. Let's call it q of x. So what you can do is let us qa minus qb we have to calculate. Let us calculate q at a minus q at b. It will be ln fa over g uh, minus ln fb over gb. Right. This will be, so you can easily do one thing. It will be ln fa gb over ga fb. So fa gb is equal to fb into ga. So it is clearly these are equals. It will be ln 1. ln 1 is 0. That implies q of a equal to q of b. That implies there exists a c. There exists a c belongs to a to b such that q dash c is equal to 0. And what is q? Q is this way. That implies f dash x by fx is equal to g dash x by gx. Right. And there exists a c. F dash c by fc equal to this. We have to prove such that then there exists a c. Right. So I hope I'm clear. This is also correct. You can easily take another function gx e to the power nx into gx. In this case, what you have to take, I guess you are clear. What you should do is you can, there's an integrating factor will be n e to the power n gx, right? You can take e to the power n gx, or in fact this sort of e to the power g of x, right? If you take e to the power g and x into fx, let us do this one again. If you take f of x is equal to e to the power g of nx into fx, so clearly f of sorry, let's call it gx. Let's call it hx actually. Let us call it as hx. Let us take another function of hx. H of x is equal to e to the power g and x into, so clearly h of a equal to h of b equal to 0, right? So what you can do is fine h dash x. So that implies that there exists a c belongs to a to b such that h dash x equal to 0. Role's statement. So what will be h dash x? It will be e raised to the power g n x into f dash x plus g dash nx. एक second into e to the power g n x uh, into fx. Some sort of this expression is creating. You can try by this side out. तो ये एफ एक्स गिवन है और ये जी थीटा गिवन है। वो करना है तो आगे सबको फैसिनेट करा होगा कि हम थीटा वाला पहले सॉल्व करें। तो जैसा कि मैं आपके मन की बात सुन ली, हम पहले थीटा वाला करते हैं। तो क्या लिखा है, वन प्लस साइन थीटा। तो जी थीटा लिखा गया है पहली बात तो। वन प्लस साइन थीटा, वन प्लस साइन थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस वन इन्फिनिटी। अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। तो समझने वाले समझ गए होंगे क्या खेल क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे। वन प्लस साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा, ठीक है। वन प्लस फिर है वन प्लस साइन थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा, वन प्लस साइन थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा प्लस सो ऑन, ऐसे बढ़ते जा रहा है। अच्छा देखो, ये वन प्लस साइन थीटा है, ये वन प्लस साइन थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा है। तो जो कॉमन चीज है यहाँ पे कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा है, तो कॉमन थिंग इज यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय वन माइनस साइन थीटा। लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय दिस फ्रैक्शन। So this 1 minus sin theta will, what will happen is, let us ignore this term first of all, right? Cos theta, cos square theta will come on each side, no doubt. In fact, let us implement this one over all the functions, right? So it will be a, so that will, let us multiply this one. So it will be 1 minus sin theta, or let us take a 1 by 1 minus sin theta as a bar. Okay, it will be that one. Okay. Plus 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, it will be 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta into cos theta. और ये हो जाएगा 1 माइनस साइन क्यूब थीटा इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा। 1 माइनस साइन क्यूब थीटा इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा। अब पैटर्न यू आर एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज, कॉमन रेशियो इज प्लस क्या होगा, 1 माइनस अब होगा साइन क्यूब थीटा तक जाएगा, 1 प्लस साइन स्क्वायर टू साइन क्यूब, 1 माइनस साइन की पावर 4 होगा, और वो मल्टीप्लाई किया तो इंटू कॉस थीटा, जहाँ पे होगा कॉस क्यूब थीटा। सही है, ये बढ़ने वाला है। इस चीज को तुम ध्यान से रिकॉग्नाइज कर पा रहे हो। तो ये है 1 बाय 1 माइनस साइन थीटा इंटू, अगर तुमने ध्यान दिया तो ये होगा कॉस थीटा। एक सेकंड, कॉस थीटा, एक सेकंड, उसके पहले होगा 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस क्यूब थीटा प्लस सो वन माइनस साइन थीटा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा प्लस साइन क्यूब थीटा इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस साइन की पावर 4 थीटा कॉस क्यूब थीटा प्लस सो वन। तो एट दिस स्टेप व्हाट यू कैन डू इज इट विल बी 1 by 1 minus sin theta into, it will be 1 by 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus 1 by cos theta, it will be a sine, the common ratio is sine into cos, and again sine into cos, right? So minus of first term is you can take as a sin theta common, it will be sin theta 1 plus sin theta into cos theta plus sin square and cos square theta. So 1 by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta, that will happen. So what you can do is 1 by 1 minus sin theta into 1 by 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta cos theta, ठीक है। तो एट दिस स्टेप यू कैन टेक एलसीएम एज वेल, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta cos theta, 1 by 1 minus sin theta, it will be 1 minus sin theta cos theta, 1 minus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. The fraction is 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta cos theta, 1 minus sin theta cos theta, ठीक है। तो 1 minus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta plus sin theta cos theta, we are getting what MB as well. Okay, so 1 minus sin will also get cancelled. What you got is 1 minus cos theta 1 by 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta cos theta. Fine. Now we have to integrate 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos theta into cos theta g theta. Okay, now what you have to do is 0 to pi by 2 cos theta into 1 minus cos theta into g theta. G theta will be, let's g theta will be 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta cos theta. Cos theta over, yeah, right. So that fraction is cancelled. Okay, now we have to integrate this one. 0 to pi by 2, okay. 0 to pi by 2 cos theta d theta upon 1 minus sin theta cos theta. Finally, this is the integration. So you can apply king as well. So let us apply king first, then we can think how we can proceed. So it will be I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin theta d theta divided by 1 minus sin theta cos theta. Now let us add both the equations. 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin theta plus cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta cos theta. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अगर हमने यहाँ पे अब ये किसका डेरिवेटिव हो, साइन माइनस कॉस. अगर हमने साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा को यू ले लिया, कॉस प्लस साइन, क्या हो जाएगा, कॉस थीटा प्लस साइन थीटा इंटू डी थीटा इज इक्वल टू डी. So it will be 2i is equal to साइन थीटा माइनस कॉस थीटा, राइट. तो थीटा को जीरो डाल दिया तो -1, थीटा को पाई बाय 2 डाल दी तो 1. ठीक है, तो थीटा को अगर जीरो डाल दिया तो -1, ठीक है, -1 to 1 हो गया. और यहाँ पे हो जाएगा डी डिवाइडेड बाय, इसका स्क्वायर कर दिया, 1 माइनस 2 साइन कॉस इज इक्वल टू यू स्क्वायर. ठीक है, तो 1 माइनस यू स्क्वायर बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू साइन कॉस. तो 1 माइनस यू स्क्वायर बाय 2 over 2, that will be equal to 2i. It is ordered also even function, right? So it will be 2 times 0 to 1. It will be 2 du divided by 2 minus 1 minus u square. I hope I'm clear. 0 to 1 or 0 to 1 2 du. Okay, okay. Fine. So this 2 cancelled. So I is equal to 0 to 1 2 du upon 2 minus 1 1 1 plus u square. Who have guessed even कि ये इतना सिंपल बन जाएगा. So that 2 tan inverse u 0 to 1, that will be 2 into pi by 4, that will be pi by 2, right? Now the first problem, it is fx equals a q by 3. Famous technique is very famous question. If you have to evaluate, if you're plugging right, so it will be f of 1 minus x. So we have to evaluate f of 1 minus x. We have to sum both of them first. So let us take f of x is equal to, this slide is over. Okay, okay. F of x is equal to x cube by 3. Let me take the question. F of x equal to x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 plus x plus 1 over 12. So let us evaluate f of 1 minus x first. It will be 1 minus x का cube over 3 minus 1 minus x का square over 2 plus 1 minus x plus 1 over 12. दोनों को ऐड कर दिया, f of x plus f of 1 minus x. So it will be x cube plus 1 minus x का cube over 3 minus x square plus 1 minus x का whole square over 2 plus x plus 1 by x 1 1 plus 1 over 6. plus 1 over 6, right? So you can do this step x cube plus 1 minus x cube minus 3x into 1 minus x over 3 minus x square plus 1 minus x square. So x square plus 1 plus x square minus 2x by 2 plus 7 over 6. Okay. So at this step you can do computations little bit. It will be 1 minus 3x plus 3x square over 3 over 3. Okay. So 1 by 3 minus x plus x square minus 2x square plus 1 minus 2x. 2x square plus 1 minus 2x plus 1 plus 7 over 6. Right. So 1 by 3 minus x plus x square minus x square plus x minus 1 over 2 plus 7 over 6. This literally, I think we are not calculation at all. Fine. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, it will be minus 1 over 6. So you got is f of x plus f of 1 minus x equal to 1. This is a step we have to evaluate. Replacing x by fx, you got as f of fx plus f of 1 minus fx equal to 1. Right. So you have to evaluate 0 to, sorry, 0 to 1, not, it is 1 by 10 to 9 by 10. Right. You have to evaluate 1 by 10, 9 by 10, f of x dx. It will be f of 1 minus x dx. Right. It will also, let this is I, this will also be I. 1 by 10 to 9 by 10. Let's add both of them. 2i is equal to 1 by 10 to 9 by 10. So f of fx plus f of 1 minus x will be 1 minus f of x. 1 minus x again. F of f of 1 minus x will be 1 minus fx. Fine. So it will be 1 minus fx. So that value is 1. I is equal to 2i is equal to 9 by 10 minus 1 by 1. 9 minus 1 is 8, so 8 over 10. So 2i is equal to 8 over 10. So 2i is equal to 4 over 5. I is equal to 2 over 5. मतलब 0.4. This value is 0.4. Okay, the last problem is